Jennifer from Little Metal Foxes, and
Julia from Little Metal Foxes.
and
Ellen from Little Metal Foxes.
and we're here in San Sabastían Spain, and we're having a wonderful time. We wanted to share with you. We had a tour with the Lindstrom Factory today, and they were so kind and so generous. We wanted to share it with you and show you how they make the tools, introduce you to Jan and their crew, and all the stuff that they do that make the Lindstrom Tools so amazing. And they are an amazing bunch of people. We really learned a lot about the tools, and we wanted to share that with you. So stay tuned, it's up next. And we are on our way to the Lindstrom Factory, so we're very excited. We'll see more later.
You can see here to identify if it is a, first of all, if it is a micro bevel flash or ultra flash. You have to, you can see the product code, but by the product code, it means nothing. So what we do is we mark, when there is nothing here, is micro bevel. When there is just one circle, is flash. And when there are two circles like this, is ultra flash.
Oh, okay.
And the main difference is the chamfer. So here you can see that there is like a polish part there, grinded. So here you can see that
the chamfer,
the chamfer. Okay. Here in the flash you see that the chamfer is smaller. Right. The humans, we cannot see this, just with our eyes. You need a microscope, and this is completely ultra flash. So there is no chamfer. So what we do is we usually, when we manufacture a Lindstrom cutter, okay, we manufacture the seat. You will see that in the manufacturing process. But later, when we manufacture the cutting edge, we manufacture the chamfer and we do the cutting edge with the radius.
Right.
We do a special radius depending on the cutting result. If it is micro bevel, flash, and ultra flash. The beauty is that when you do a ultra flash cut, it's a completely clean cut. Clean cut. Okay. When you do a flash cut, the cutting result, it will give you a small peak like this. And that small peak, it's very important that it's centered. Not so much in the jewelry industry, because at the end you can file it, and if it is here, if it is there, it doesn't matter so much as far as I know.
Right.
However, within electronics, it's critical because of the soldering. If it is in one side and the peak is not like a perfect Everest mountain, they can have some spots where you cannot solder.
Right, it doesn't connect.
Exactly, and you can have some sparks there, and you can have some issues later on when you.
It causes resistance.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, for us, it's as important as doing ultra flash cut, which is a completely clean cut, is that when we manufacture those chamfers, they are completely equal one with the other. That remaining peak is centered and perfectly symmetric both sides. Okay. The difference is that this one, the cutting edges are completely parallel one with the other. So we cut once against the other.
And so the edges are perfectly flat.
Completely bull nose, in order that we can make any cutting edge, but you still have material in the back part to strengthen the cut. Yes?
Right.
So the bull nose is something that we'll be targeting a lot moving forward within jewelers.
So this design is new. Yeah. Look at that.
Yeah, those are amazing.
Nice and solid at the tip. Look how fat they are right here at the front.
And reiterate what those are good for?
Because when you're cutting at the tip of something, if you don't have very much material here, you can break the tips off.
Right.
It's the same thing with the TRX.
The TRX is even the TRX is a different level.
It's a different level.
Yeah, I know.
TRX
But it's
is
the
to
same,
cut.
for me, it's the same principle. Because I understand that you can cut
Exactly.
more on that full edge.
But if you see the
than
chamfers here,
Yeah.
huge chamfers.
Yeah.
Right.
So therefore, the peak will be much bigger.
Right.
And sometimes it goes against the end jobs you want to make, right?
like. Can you get a close up?
Yeah. Yeah. Cool. Crazy.
From the forging.
Yeah.
And this
And
part.
on the other side too. It looks like you already started.
Exactly. No, this part.
Yeah, right here.
Exactly. And later on we will manufacture the seat.